Hi everyone, Tevan here at TevansHaven. Today is the Gratitude Journal entry number 85. Today I'm thankful for being able to create time and actually make time to do the things that I want to do and that I enjoy doing. And from doing this, I get a sense of achievement and a great feeling of accomplishment. And you can do that too. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Tevan. I'm a mother and a stay-at-home wife. I take care of my toddler, and on my free time, after I've done all my housework and chores, I do these videos to give a daily dose of gratitude and also motivation for other people in the social environment, and also try to give my personal tips and advice, to try and help people to become successful. So back to the gratitude journal, making time for what I like and what you like. One of the things that I do is I assess what am I doing, where can I cut from the time that I'm wasting, or that I assess the time that I'm spending, how my time can be better spent elsewhere in areas of life where I have a goal, or that I want to achieve something. And I look for ways and always assessing my time. So that is also what you can do. Think about your day, where you're spending your time, and how it can be better utilized in your area that you want to improve your life. If you want to learn English, and then spend at least minimum 30 minutes a day to learn at least 10 new words, practice, watch my videos in Mongolian and English. And if you're studying Mongolian, that could also be a possibility. And I also watch videos on how to be successful on the internet, and I'm reading articles and things like that. And one of the things that come up is, if you really want to achieve that goal, you will make time. So that's the thing. Why do you want to become that, think about your goal, end result. Then you're more likely to assess your time. Think about your time, how you're spending it. I know there can be, somewhere along the day that you can shave off from the wasted time that you could be actually spending to achieve the goal that you want to achieve, such as maybe learning to play the piano. Spend at least an hour practicing. The thing is, you have to practice daily, and that is the key. If you've been enjoying this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel for more tips and daily dose of motivation and inspiration. And I ask you guys to share love and kindness. Until next time, bye. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe now.